So hi everyone, myself Aman, and I again welcome you on this amazing session where we are practicing uh, Pyspark interview questions which are typically asked in the interview. So today I'm came with another new question. So yeah, let's get started and see the question. So as you can see on the screen, this is the input. So input contains your city 1, city 2, city 3, and the expected output is this one. So difference, as you can see, we basically want first not null value. As you can see in the first row, first not null value is Goa. Okay, in the second row, first not null value is Delhi, and the third row, first not null value is Bangalore. So how we are going to do it? So let's see. I am using my Databricks Community Edition for practicing, and the data set is provided in the description. You can take it from there. Okay, so here I have created a data frame with the help of given data. So to create a data frame, we use spark.createDataFrame function, and this is the our input. Okay, now to get the output, to get this output, basically in SQL, if you know, there is a one function that is coalesce. So what coalesce will do, it will going to display you with the first not null value that the coalesce do in SQL. Same thing in Spark also, it's going to do the same. So I am using here coalesce. So to use any function, first we need to import that function. So from pyspark.sql.function import coalesce. Now I am using here df, but is a data frame name dot with column to introduce one new column. So df dot with column, first argument will be the name of the column. What will be the name of the column? Then second will be the coalesce. Okay, so coalesce, what will do, it will going to display you the first not null value. So I am using coalesce df dot city1 comma df dot city2 comma df dot city3. So what it will do, it will going to display the first not null value. So if I run it, so as you can see here, the output came that is only Goa. Why it is came only Goa? Because it has fetched the first not null value, so and it had displayed the output. But basically we want corresponding to every row, right? We don't just want for one row, so it has not moved to the other row. Now how we are going to handle this situation? So to handle it in Spark, there is also inbuilt function, just like SQL. In SQL there is a case when statement. In Spark same thing is done by case when and as. So this comes under case statement in SQL. In Spark we use what, when and otherwise for the same thing. Okay, where and otherwise. So how we are going to use it? So first we import when from pyspark.sql.function import when, then df.with column. This is the first argument will be the column name comma coalesce. Now I am putting the condition when df.city1 equal to blank or null. Okay, df.city1 equal to blank, then replace it with none. Otherwise what you will do, take the value of df.city1. So what I mean, if you focus on the first row, that df.city1 does not contain null value, so it will not going to take value from here because it does not contain null value. So what it going to take, it will going to take value from here, df.city1. Again I am going to check, again I am going to repeating, first it will check the null value or the blank value, right? So df.city1, if it is blank or none, then it is going to take first not null value. Okay, so first not null value will be fetched from here. So as you can see here, it is Goa. Okay, then again what is that, df.city2. Now it will check for another df.city2. Here also check if it contain null or not null value, take first not null value. Okay, so I have taken it df.city2. So as you can see clearly, first not null value is Delhi. First not null value is Delhi, so it is taken Delhi. Same applies for third one, that is df dot city3 equal to null. Okay, so df dot city3 equal to null blank, replace with null, otherwise df dot city3. So this will be the third value. Okay, because first not null value will be the Bangalore. Hope that's making sense. Basically we need to fetch first not null value. So in the first row, Goa is the first not null value. In the second, here it is blank, so it will move to this part. Okay, so Delhi, here it got first not null value, it will fetch the output. Just take the first. Here it is contain null, then blank, then BLR. So BLR is the first not null value, so it has taken it first not null value and fetch it. Hope that makes sense to you. Okay, do practice it, and do share it among your friends who are preparing for especially Spark interview, and do subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching. Thank you.